Come test drive the 2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.